Look no further than the 2016 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. With less than 200,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Silverado 3500 HD has the strength to haul the biggest loads and still give you a quiet, smooth ride. You may forget you're in a supersized, heavy-duty truck. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, traction control, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, intermittent wipers, passenger vanity mirror, rear reading lamps, adjustable steering wheel. Rest assured and get the job done with confidence in the Silverado 3500 HD. Take it out for a test drive today.